phone focuses better than my camera. But that right there, that's a food plot. I literally shot my deer with my bow last fall right over there on the other side of those angry waves. And the river is supposed to be on the other side of those trees. My trail camera is somewhere over there. That river is probably close to 40 to 50 feet deep. Oh my stars. Yeah, and I hunt right by that big tree right there what I'm pointing at. That's literally where I hunt. I wouldn't go in there for the life of me. This right here is not too deep, but it's probably still close to like 3 feet deep at least. That is insane. Just look at the water is cool. That right there is a river, which is like 3 times wider than it should be. I have no idea my trail camera's still over there. You do not see it. I'm feeling it wash away, which is a sickening feeling because it's 5-point self-cam. They don't cost. They're not at a very pretty price. They're pretty expensive. I would not want to be caught up in that stuff. I would be dead.